In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your social media accounts to your online store to enhance your brand's presence and engage more effectively with your audience. This is a simple yet crucial step in making your online store more interactive and accessible to your customers. Let's dive right in. First, head straight to your online store's theme section. This is where all the magic begins. Your online store's theme serves not only as the primary visual representation of your brand, but also as the gateway to various customization options. By accessing this section, you're opening up a world where you can adjust the look, feel, and functionality of your store to better suit your business goals and customer needs. Once you're in the theme settings, you'll want to locate the social media settings specifically. The social media section is your hub for linking your store to the dynamic world of social networks. Here, you'll find options to directly integrate your social media profiles with your store. Keeping this integration streamlined is essential because it allows your customers to connect with you across multiple platforms with ease. They can stay updated with your latest products, promotions, and news. Now, it's time to add the link to your preferred social media profiles. You might have one or more accounts you want to link, such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or any other platform where your brand has presence and activity. Copy and paste the URLs of your social media pages into the designated fields. By doing this, you're essentially offering a bridge for your customers to jump right from your store to your social media environments. This is a phenomenal way to facilitate interaction and reinforce your brand's community. After entering each of your social media links, make sure to save all the changes. This step is often overlooked, but it's crucial. Without saving, all the hard work you just put into linking your social media accounts could be lost. So take that extra moment to ensure your updates are secure and reflected in the live store. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your social media profiles to your online store. This integration will undoubtedly enrich your customers' experience by making it easier for them to engage with your brand beyond your store walls. It's an effective method to enhance customer interaction, boost your online presence, and ultimately drive more traffic to both your store and your social media pages. If you followed along, your store is now more connected with your audience than ever. Thank you for joining me in this step-by-step guide. Be sure to explore further customization options to make your online store truly reflect your brand's identity. Until next time, keep engaging and growing your community.